How to withdraw money from Robinhood account. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you the steps on how to withdraw money from Robinhood account. In order to withdraw money from your Robinhood account, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. And then to begin with, open up or log in into your Robinhood account. Once you're logged into your Robinhood account, you'll be taken to the home page, and this is how the interface is going to look like. On this page, click on the money icon located right at the bottom. As soon as you click on it, you'll be taken to the cash page. So over here, you'll be able to see the amount of funds that you stored. So before making transaction, make sure that you have enough funds. So then to proceed on, click on the transfer button. Next page, you'll be asked whether you want to transfer money, set up deposit and all that. So click on transfer money, which is right on top. This is going to take you to the other fields. So over here, you'll be asked to select whether you want to use Play to connect your account or not. If yes, then go to the continue button. If no, then just tap on the cross icon located right on top. So this is going to take you to the other section where you need to select the bank account where you actually want to withdraw the money. So select the bank account accordingly. Next page, enter in the amount, and you also need to select from which account you're making a transaction and to which account you're sending the transaction. Click on the review button right at the bottom if you're done, and you'll be asked to select all of these information, and if you're sure about it, go to it. Next page, you need to click on the transfer button, which is right at the bottom, and that is how you can withdraw money from your Robinhood account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.